everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hannah and today I have a really fun video planned. I'm so excited. Today I'm going to be letting my dog design my crochet project. So I'll let her just pick what we're making, what the colors will be, and just all the stuff like that, and then we will make it. So let's go get my dog. Her name is Honey, and she is going to start off by picking what we're going to make. Honey, choose one. Choose one, honey. Oh wait, that's what we picked first. The little whale. Good job. Okay, so the bottom of the whale is white, but we're gonna have her pick what color of the whale she wants. So I'm gonna put out the colors. Blue, pink, and purple. Okay, honey, choose one. She's like, oh, yeah, I don't really feel like that. Okay, choose one. Choose. She wasn't cooperating, so I have some treats here. Okay, now she's really into it. Okay, sit, stay. I'll go right here. Okay, come on, choose one. No. Okay, you know what? We're gonna put one on each. Sit, stay. Okay. And now, okay, so you got the pink, so we're gonna do a pink version of this whale. For our final choice, we are going to pick from 2 colors of stitch markers, stay. So we have blue or pink. So we put a treat here and here. So I'm just going to hold them so she doesn't eat them, but this side is blue and this side is pink. So we'll see which treat she picks. Okay. Oh, she picked blue. Good girl. Good girl, you picked blue. Now she got the last treat. So we're gonna be using the blue stitch marker. Good job, honey, good girl. That's it. See, no, these aren't food. Plastic. Yeah, plastic. Okay, thanks for your service, honey. Now time to go crochet. Alrighty, so we are going to be making a whale, and it's gonna be pink, and then I have this blue stitch marker. So we can get started on crocheting. I just finished the last round of our whale, and now it's time to stuff, and then we can close up the hole. All right, now I can cut it and close the hole. All right, and our whale is all finished. The eyes are looking a little bit big because this yarn I used is a lot smaller, but we are going to go show it to Honey and see how what she thinks of the little whale she designed. All right, well, Honey didn't give us too much of a reaction, but you know, I'm sure she liked the whale. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun to let her decide what we're making, and she decided on this cute little pink whale. And I'll see you next time. Bye!